Katrina's K Beauty is one of India's biggest makeup brand at this moment by making 1.4 billion in just 4 years. We live in a time where every celebrity brand is failing, be it Deepika Padukone's 82 Degree East by getting backlashes like it's not value for money, be it Kriti Sanon's Hyphen, or maybe it's Anushka's clothing line or Shahid Kapoor's athleisure brand. Let's talk about how Katrina made this happen in such a small period of time. With 1.4 billion people in India is the fourth largest beauty market in the world, and it is expected to reach $34 billion by 2028. The industry is growing rapidly by approximately 3,500 beauty and personal care companies in India. और इस इंडस्ट्री में हमारे घरेलू आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स, स्टार्टअप्स एंड बिग जाइंट्स सारे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एंड मेकअप इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं. Maybelline, Lakme, Nykaa, Colorbar, Sugar Cosmetics, MAC, Kylie, Fenty Beauty. और मोस्टली हम या तो लेगेसी ब्रांड लाइक लैक्मे को ट्रस्ट करते थे या तो वी यूज्ड टू शॉप फ्रॉम ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स लाइक Maybelline एंड MAC, which were expensive. सालों से इंडियन मेकअप इंडस्ट्री को ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स लाइक Maybelline, MAC रूल करते थे एंड इंडियन लेगेसी ब्रांड लाइक लैक्मे एंड शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स भी एग्जिस्ट करते थे. एंड मोस्टली हमें वो ग्लोबल ब्रांड से ही क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट मिलता था, ना कि इंडियन ब्रांड से. सो वी हेवीली रिलाइड ऑन ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स फॉर ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स. But those beauty products always came with a heavy cost. If you look at MAC, it is expensive for regular makeup users. For professional, it is great. But regularly जो office जाने के लिए makeup करते हैं या for just meeting friends and party, it is expensive. We don't want to buy 3,000 का foundation for a regular use. But Maybelline came and filled that gap for Indian audience. Maybelline was found in a reasonable pricing like 500 to 1,500, and they had a lot of shades available too. If you look at brands like Lakme, they have barely 5 to 10 shades for Indian skin tone. Sugar Cosmetics, उनके पास 15 shades है for Indian skin tone. But what K Beauty did was, they were affordable premium makeup brand. Similar to what Maybelline is doing, K Beauty got 20 plus shades for Indian skin tone specifically, because Maybelline has 40 plus shades in their foundation, but not for Indian audience. It is only for the people living in US, and it is formulated accordingly which is suitable in their face, not in Indian skin tone. But K Beauty ने क्या किया, उन्होंने specifically Indian skin tone needs के हिसाब से अपने products बनाए, which were pricing around 500 to 1,500, which was perfect for those Indian audience who wants to do their makeup in a regular basis for their office, for party, for like casual out day. That's why K Beauty is not a brand which is relying on celebrity fame to become famous. It is relying on actual market research and audience need. If you look at Fair and Lovely back in 2000, वो सबसे बड़ा beauty product था इंडिया का, because at that time it catered to people's insecurity of skin complexion. But exactly K Beauty did the same thing. Affordable, premium, inclusive, and it has a voice which promotes self-expression, which is very important for today's women. That's why I think that K Beauty has that potential to become next Kylie Cosmetic or Fenty Beauty of India and take it to globe. And K Beauty strategically partnered with Nykaa. Nykaa is a company which was started back in 2012 by Falguni Nair. Since then, she is catering beauty products to entire India, which came out as a master stroke for K Beauty. Now, before launching the product, Katrina was aware how the Indian beauty market works and how people can react and what all gaps Indian beauty market has. I saw this somewhere in her interview, which says that she took 2 years to find the right formation of a product before launching it to the market. मैंने भी उनका प्रोडक्ट खुद यूज़ किया हुआ है, so I can say that her product are genuinely good for Indian skin tone. And K Beauty was actually ahead of its time by introducing products like lip crayon, cream blushes, and her foundation was catering to every skin type of India, with the side benefit of skincare.
I am going to be applying our latest launch. It's called Creme Lipstick, and doesn't it feel almost like a little bit like a lip balm?
Undoubtedly the product is good, but the marketing was also on point. Katrina Kaif has always pushed the idea that with K Beauty she is building a community of women who are okay being themselves, who loves self-expression, and she wants to create an inclusive community of women where no one is less. When the product was launched, she introduced a campaign with the hashtag makeup on the go, positioning the product easy to do everyday makeup, which every woman were looking for in India at that point. तभी उनके marketing में दिखता है that she's not selling a product but building a community of women who believe in inclusivity and self-expression. Basically, she understood the market and sold her product saying that it feels like no makeup. In the social media era, हम सबको अच्छा दिखना है. हम ऑफिस जाते हुए मेकअप करना चाहते हैं, कैजुअल आउट आउटिंग के लिए भी मेकअप करना चाहते हैं, नॉर्मली भी हम मेकअप में ही रहना चाहते हैं, बट वी डोंट वांट दैट हेवी मेकअप विच प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक मैक गिव अस. हमें बहुत मिनिमल सा मेकअप चाहिए. सो इन दैट डोमेन के ब्यूटी केम आउट एंड सेड कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट आपको स्किन केयर जैसा मेकअप देगा, विच वाज एक्सट्रीमली इंट्रीगिंग फॉर इंडियन वुमेन.
How does it feel to be you? Are you easy with your cool and is the world easy with your heat? Is your head
And with campaigns like It's Okay to Be You, where Zoya Akhtar wrote the entire script, where people like Saina Nehwal and Kusha Kapila came in and performed. It changed the entire game for K-beauty. Since the time Katrina has started K-beauty, her net worth has doubled. Katrina had a great career in Bollywood 2005 से लेकर 2013 तक उनकी सारी commercial movies हिट रही है, but उनको हमेशा ये सुनने को मिला है that she has a good face, good body and a good dancer, but her acting and her accent are not good enough to be a great Bollywood actress. उसके बाद से 2013 के जो भी उनके movies हैं वो नहीं चले. फितूर, भारत, these kind of movies, recently मैरी क्रिसमस, these movies didn't work for her. उसी टाइम पे 2018 में कटरीना ने नायका पे अपना 2 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट किया एंड साइमल्टेनियसली उन्होंने के ब्यूटी में भी काम करना शुरू कर दिया था. तभी 2019 के एंड में शी कुड लॉन्च के ब्यूटी, बट उसके बाद ही कोविड ने हिट किया, बट दैट ऑल्सो डिडंट अफेक्ट हर ब्रांड. शी केप्ट ग्रोइंग एंड 2021 में नायका का IPO रिलीज हुआ और कटरीना के 2 करोड़ 22 करोड़ बन चुके थे. इफ़ यू टॉक कटरीना अबाउट अ प्रोडक्ट, उनको पता है क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स उनके प्रोडक्ट में गए हुए हैं.
Each of our products have either one or multiple care ingredients, what we call as KARE, care ingredients. And that could be something from chamomile to manuka honey.
But in the same time, if you talk to Deepika,
What it means, patchouli?
Patchouli is again a plant.
उनके पास कोई आंसर नहीं था. इट वाज लाइक सिंपली अ प्लांट. बट कटरीना के साथ वो सिचुएशन नहीं है एंड शी हरसेल्फ लव्स डूइंग मेकअप. शीला की जवानी, चिकनी चमेली में उन्होंने अपना खुद मेकअप किया हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई हर पैशन टुवर्ड्स मेकअप इज प्रीटी मच विजिबल. इफ यू लुक एट हर इंटरव्यूज, द काइंड ऑफ हैक शी हैज शेयर अबाउट मेकअप, इट एक्चुअली इंप्रेसिव. मतलब अगर आप अपने टिश्यू को डार्क लिपस्टिक के ऊपर रख के लूज पाउडर यूज करोगे तो इट बिकम्स ट्रांसपेरेंट. तभी व्हेन शी कम्स आउट एंड टेल दैट she uses her own K-beauty product, it doesn't look or sound fake to me. So these kind of tricks coming from her make us feel that she is so attached and involved with the brand, जिसकी वजह से we can trust the product, we can trust the kind of ingredients being used. And in a lot of interviews, she also mentioned about her struggles while buying makeup products, which is very much relatable for me. हम हमेशा जब भी कोई भी ई-कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हैं, वी विल जस्ट गो एंड लुक एट द बेस्ट सेलर्स एंड शॉप इट, बिकॉज कौन इतना दिमाग लगाएगा खरीदने के लिए. बट ज़रूरी नहीं है हर बेस्ट सेलर अच्छा हो. इफ़ दैट वर्क फॉर यू डजंट नेसेसरली गोना वर्क फॉर मी. बट इवन आफ्टर बाइंग बेस्ट सेलर बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट हो जाते हैं उसके. जस्ट टू केटर दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, शी लॉन्च के ब्यूटी विद मल्टीपल शेड्स, मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस फॉर पीपल and taking good care of the kind of ingredients being used.
Packaging, the formulations, everything you see has been the results of many trials and testing sessions.
Now every celebrity thinks कि अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ, मैं वो करती हूँ, तो audience will buy it automatically. But that's not the case in the social media era because we all are very much aware. शाहरुख खान भी फेयर एंड लवली प्रमोट करते थे ना, बट नेसेसरली ये ज़रूरी नहीं है शाहरुख खान फेयर एंड लवली यूज़ करेंगे. That's what Katrina did right, which I think बाकी celebrities अभी तक समझ नहीं पाए हैं. They still think कि अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो ये खरीद लेंगे, but no. We will not do that because we are aware. Now the partnership has helped so much that they are expanding to countries like UAE, and it is also definitely a very strategic planning because skin type of people living in UAE is also similar to people living in India. Major chunk of Indians are living in UAE and Pakistani are also living there. So now the skin type and the kind of foundation that will suit to their skin is very much similar to Indian skin. That's why jumping onto UAE first is a very strategic decision for K-beauty because now they can grow faster over there and slowly expand to other countries in the world. Katrina को हमेशा कहा गया कि she has a good face but no acting, no accent. सलमान खान की बदौलत यहाँ पहुँची and everything. But her entrepreneurial mind is much more powerful than any other Bollywood celebrity. That's a strategic partnership and passion towards a product could make K-beauty such a big brand at this point.